Today I am reviewing the Sloan WES-150 WaterFree Urinal. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a practical, hygienic, and water-saving solution for restroom management, the Sloan WES-150 WaterFree Urinal Cartridge is one of the most reliable systems available today. This product is designed specifically for commercial environments where durability, cleanliness, and efficiency matter the most. It's not just a small upgrade. It's a complete shift in how urinal systems operate by completely eliminating the need for water. Let's start with the core idea behind this system. The Sloan WES-150 is a hybrid water-free cartridge designed to work with all Sloan WaterFree urinals. That universal compatibility is a major advantage because it simplifies installation and replacement. Whether you're managing a small facility, office building, school, or large commercial space, this cartridge integrates seamlessly without requiring major plumbing changes. One of the most important benefits of this system is hygiene. Traditional urinals rely on water flushing, which can sometimes contribute to splashing, residue buildup, and inconsistent cleanliness. The WES-150 addresses this with a specially engineered flexible pour spout and modified outlet design. These features help guide liquid flow more efficiently, reducing splashback and keeping both the piping and internal housing cleaner. In real-world use, this means less buildup and a noticeably cleaner restroom environment over time. Odor control is another area where this cartridge performs well. Because of its reduced surface area design and internal sealing system, it minimizes the exposure of waste to air, which is one of the main causes of odor in traditional urinals. The result is a fresher restroom environment that feels more comfortable for users, even during peak usage hours. Inside the cartridge, there is a carefully designed baffle and diverter system. These components work together to retain the sealing liquid more effectively, which plays a key role in preventing odors from escaping back into the restroom. It also ensures that the cartridge continues functioning properly over time without losing efficiency too quickly. This internal design is one of the reasons why the system is known for its consistency and reliability. When it comes to lifespan, the Sloan WES-150 is built for long-term use. On average, it can handle approximately 7,000 uses before needing replacement. That is a significant number, especially in high-traffic environments. For facility managers, this reduces maintenance frequency and helps streamline restroom upkeep schedules. Instead of constantly worrying about servicing, the cartridge allows for predictable, low-maintenance operation. The package itself is also thoughtfully designed. It includes everything needed for installation and maintenance. You get the cartridge unit, a removal wrench key for easy replacement, a disposal bag for hygienic handling of used cartridges, and blue sealant to ensure proper system function. Having all these components included means there's no need to purchase additional accessories separately, which simplifies maintenance procedures. One of the biggest advantages of this system is water conservation. By eliminating the need for flushing water entirely, the WES-150 contributes directly to reducing water consumption. In large commercial facilities, this can translate into significant water savings over time. It's not just an operational benefit. It also supports environmental sustainability goals, which is increasingly important for modern buildings and organizations. From a cost perspective, this system can also be very efficient in the long run. While the initial cartridge investment may be higher than traditional setups, the reduction in water usage and lower maintenance requirements help offset costs over time. Fewer plumbing issues, reduced cleaning requirements, and less frequent servicing all contribute to long-term savings. Another important point is its role in sustainability and green building standards. Because it reduces water usage and minimizes maintenance needs, it supports environmentally friendly building certifications. For businesses or institutions aiming for eco-friendly compliance, this system can be a valuable part of that strategy. Installation and replacement are also straightforward. Thanks to the included wrench key, maintenance staff can easily remove and replace the cartridge without specialized tools. This reduces downtime and makes routine servicing faster and more efficient. The design is clearly focused on practicality and ease of use in real-world conditions. Overall, The Sloan WES-150 WaterFree Urinal Cartridge is a well-engineered solution for modern restroom systems. It focuses on three key areas: hygiene, efficiency, and sustainability. It reduces odors, minimizes maintenance, and eliminates water usage entirely while maintaining reliable performance over thousands of uses. For commercial facilities, offices, schools, and public restrooms, this is a smart long-term investment. It simplifies maintenance operations, improves restroom cleanliness, and supports environmental responsibility all at the same time. If your goal is to upgrade to a more efficient, hygienic, and eco-friendly restroom system, the Sloan WES-150 stands out as a proven and dependable solution.